Hello, I am making this video in case anybody has an issue with their 6-liter and they don't have any check engine lights, but they just know that injector's gone bad, but then they're too cheap to go out and pay for that contribution test. Well, I know this truck has a bad injector. I just ordered a set of 8 of them, actually, from Jesse Warren in Erie. I'm over near Philly, so it's not much of a hike. And it's about 45 degrees right now, and I'm just gonna start it up and let's just see what happens. Forgot to unlock it. Alrighty. Turn all this shit off. Alright. So the last time I had it running was yesterday, so it hasn't been sitting here for a real long time. The injector passes the buzz test. I went through and put some of that anti-stiction stuff in it, but it didn't really help at all. Just so you know where I'm at. But let's start it up once it's ready. I like to wait for the fuel pump to do its thing. There it goes. Alright, so I'm not going to wait for it to go into high idle, so I'm just going to kick it up a notch and we'll watch it shake. Alrighty.